Gujarat. My project is on using CT scan images and machine learning techniques for early detection of COVID-19. As the whole world is witnessing what this novel coronavirus can do to the mankind, it presents some unique features also. As per diagnosis of COVID-19 is done using PCR technique, but then there are certain cases where PCR has given false indications also. So what is the solution? The solution is like we are in a need of a system which does not take much time for diagnosis, is accurate, is cost effective, and doesn't require much expertise. Coming directly to the product description, as per the data shared by a respiratory physician, CT scan image of a coronavirus infected patient showed some distinctive hazy patch on the outer edges of the lung. So if some distinctive or typical hazy patch is there on the CT scan images, we can use that feature pattern for training our machine learning algorithm. What we are doing? We are doing like we are collecting chest CT scan images of COVID-19 positive case patients as well as normal healthy persons. And then we are using some image pre-processing techniques to enhance the images. And then we are doing labeling. As you can see in figure 2, there like in A positive sample is there, B normal sample is there, and then like after labeling we are giving to the system and applying machine learning algorithm for training the system. Once the system gets trained, we are testing the system on those images which system has never seen before. So these are some of the value propositions that we are offering to our customers. Our customers are like doctors and hospitals. For scalability and growth vector, we are considering like initially for our current version, that is like version 1, will be using mobile based app. Users need to download from Google Play and upload CT scan images for prediction. For the like for the first plan, we will be providing some 7 days free trial and then subscription charges thereafter. Again, in case of private clinic doctors, if they need the entire system, that is also possible, and then charges can be made accordingly. In version 2, we'll be adding some more features and we'll bring some benefits to the existing customers. So coming to competitive advantage, uh, our model gives so many of advantages. First is like for time for diagnosis and result, it takes very less time because there is nothing like no blood sample collection in shipping, transportation is not there. It is highly cost effective, expertise is not needed, is highly accurate. So coming to team and partners, myself, Dr. Sachin Sharma, I'm having expertise in AI and having more than 12 years of experience. These are some of the projects that have been done by me and my team. And my partners are like Dr. Raj Raval and Dr. Mihir Mehta. They have good exposure and good experience in this field.